Have you ever wondered how the ancient civilizations managed to cultivate their crops without the modern farming tools we have today? Imagine a farming technique that merged two ancient practices, aquaculture and hydroponics, to create a revolutionary method of sustainable farming. This technique is called aquaponics, a harmonious system that has been reshaping the landscape of agriculture for centuries. The answer to this question takes us on a fascinating journey of innovation, adaptation, and sustainability. Our journey begins thousands of years ago, with the ancient civilizations of China and the Aztecs. Imagine the bustling waterways of ancient China, where the art of aquaculture was first mastered. Here, the Chinese devised ingenious ways to farm fish, crabs, and even turtles, raising them in rice paddies and ponds. Not only were these aquatic creatures a source of food, but they also contributed to the ecosystem by feeding on pests and contributing to the nutrient cycle. This practice of aquaculture, or water farming, was a testament to the Chinese's understanding of the symbiotic relationships within nature. Now let's traverse across the globe and back in time to the Valley of Mexico, where the mighty Aztecs reigned. They were faced with a unique challenge, a scarcity of arable land due to their city's location on marshy lake beds. To overcome this, they developed a method of farming known as chinampas, or floating gardens. These were artificial islands where crops were grown above the water surface, a technique that closely resembles modern-day hydroponics, where plants are grown without soil using mineral nutrient solutions in a water solvent. While these civilizations were continents apart, both were unknowingly pioneering techniques that would eventually converge to form the basis of modern aquaponics. The Chinese were cultivating aquatic life and benefiting from their contributions to the ecosystem, while the Aztecs were innovating ways to grow crops without soil, harnessing the nutrients directly from the water. These ancient practices were more than just solutions to the problems of their time. They were a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, their deep understanding of nature's cycles, and their ability to harness these cycles for their benefit. Little did they know, these techniques would echo down the centuries, combining and evolving to form a system that not only feeds us but also respects and works with the natural world. A system that is as ingenious as it is sustainable. A system that we now know as aquaponics. These ancient practices were the building blocks of a revolutionary farming technique that we now know as aquaponics. Fast forward to the 20th century, a time of rapid scientific progress and technological advancement. As the world moved at a dizzying pace, researchers and scientists began to delve deeper into the mysteries of nature, seeking to understand the intricate relationships that underpin life on our planet. In particular, they turned their attention to the relationship between fish and plants. You see, fish and plants have a fascinating symbiotic relationship. Fish produce waste, which, while toxic to them, serves as a valuable source of nutrients for plants. In turn, plants, through their natural processes, filter and clean the water, making it safe for the fish to live in. It's nature's own version of a win-win situation. As scientists began to understand this relationship, they realized the potential to merge two ancient practices: aquaculture, the cultivation of fish and other aquatic animals, and hydroponics, the growing of plants without soil. The idea was simple yet revolutionary. By combining these practices, they could create a closed-loop system, where fish and plants support each other's growth, all while minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. This was the genesis of a new farming technique, one that combined the best of both worlds. This was no easy feat, however. It required a deep understanding of both aquaculture and hydroponics, as well as a willingness to experiment, iterate, and innovate. But through dedication and ingenuity, these pioneers managed to create a system that was not only efficient and productive, but also sustainable and environmentally friendly. And so the stage was set for a new era in farming, an era where we could harness the power of nature to grow food in a way that was both sustainable and efficient. An era where we could provide for our growing population without depleting our planet's resources. An era of aquaponics. This was a pivotal moment in the history of sustainable farming, marking the birth of aquaponics. With this convergence of aquaculture and hydroponics, the world of farming was forever changed, and the journey of aquaponics had just begun. With the advent of aquaponics, the landscape of sustainable agriculture was forever changed. The marriage of aquaculture and hydroponics was not just a step forward, it was a giant leap for mankind, a leap towards a more sustainable future. Aquaponics blends the best of both worlds. It marries the water-purifying, waste-recycling capabilities of aquaculture with the nutrient-rich, soil-less growth environment of hydroponics. But what makes aquaponics truly unique is its symbiotic nature. In an aquaponic system, the fish and plants live in harmony, each benefiting from the other's existence. The fish produce waste that provides nutrients for the plants, while the plants clean the water for the fish. Modern adaptation of aquaponics has taken this age-old practice and fine-tuned it to fit the needs and constraints of the 21st century. Today, we see a wide variety of aquaponic systems, from small home setups to large commercial operations. These systems are not only more efficient and productive but also friendlier to the environment. They use less water, require less land, and produce less waste than traditional farming methods. Moreover, aquaponics is playing a crucial role in promoting sustainability. By recycling water and nutrients, aquaponics reduces the environmental impact of farming. It also helps combat the global food crisis by providing a reliable source of fresh, nutritious food. And the beauty of it all is that aquaponics can be adapted to almost any climate and location. But perhaps the most significant contribution of aquaponics is its potential to reshape our relationship with nature. Aquaponics teaches us to work with nature, not against it. It shows us that we can feed the world without destroying our planet. As we move forward, the importance of aquaponics in sustainable agriculture only continues to grow. Our planet is in crisis, and we need innovative solutions like aquaponics to help us navigate these challenging times. From ancient civilizations to modern-day pioneers, the journey of aquaponics is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of sustainability. As we look to the future, the potential of aquaponics is limitless. This ingenious blend of aquaculture and hydroponics holds the keys to addressing global food security issues. Imagine cities with vertical farms, flourishing with fresh produce, all thanks to aquaponics. Its role in promoting sustainable agriculture is paramount, reducing water usage and eradicating the need for harmful pesticides. The journey of aquaponics, from its ancient roots to its modern adaptation, is not just a story of innovation, but a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching Random Realm.
It's London Rain.